Tequila baby back ribs. Why? Because it's 5 o'clock somewhere, shawty. Watch this. Grab 2 slabs of baby back ribs and your favorite tequila. No need to pull the membrane, just score it with a knife. For a binder, we're just using a little bit of olive oil. Now it's time to come with that Tex-Mex flavor. I'm using that Texas steak rub that'll give these ribs the spice that it needs. You can grab this seasoning from UncleDibs.com. Add some oil and some more of that Texas steak rub to the top side. Now place your ribs on an oven rack set over a roasting pan. Now add a shot of tequila to the bottom of the roasting pan. That'll infuse these ribs with that tequila flavor. If you're looking for a non-alcoholic option, here's a brand that has the great same tequila flavor without the alcohol. Bake at 300 degrees for 2.5 hours. Now let's create our tequila lime barbecue glaze. Lay out some aluminum foil and place 4 squares of butter on each sheet. Drizzle that butter with some honey. Then add some more of that Texas steak rub for that Tex-Mex flavor. Next, grab a fresh lime and squeeze the juice of it on top of that butter mixture. Next, add some soy sauce and then a little bit more tequila. Remove the ribs from the oven and lay them top side down on top of that butter mixture. Add some more butter and a little bit of honey onto the back side. Wrap the ribs nice and tight and then return to the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, carefully unwrap the ribs. Pour that melted sauce over the top side of those ribs so it gets a nice glaze. We're gonna broil these on high for 5 minutes uncovered. That'll make that tequila glaze bubbly and caramelized. And there you have it, tequila lime ribs just in time for happy hour. Now let me know in the comments if you're ready for your shot. Full recipes in the caption or the link in my bio. Salute, shawty. That's good, shawty.